It's that time of the year that we are going to be on a break. And I mean the premium group of Telegram. We are going on a break from the period of 22 December until 9th of January. And of course, during this time, the market is going to be somehow inactive and very low in volatility, of course, due to the holidays and the Christmas. And therefore, we decided that we will take a break during this period. And I'm very proud also that we have managed to end the last 2 days with 462 pips of profits delivered to our clients. And by the way, this is a very high number to make within just 2 days, especially in December. So I believe the clients are very happy for the experience right now in the premium group. And yesterday, Tuesday, all of the signals have actually reached at least take profit number 2, as you can see right here. And yesterday we didn't have any loss signal. And by the way, of course, my friends, you can use this offer if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group during the period of the break. You can actually use this offer to get 20% discount, and I believe it's a very good deal for all of you. So it's a very good ending of the year, and I'm very excited actually for our comeback. I believe it's gonna be awesome, and hopefully we will give you the most profitable signals that you wish for. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. So let's now take a look at the market and let's see what happened during the last 2 days. So actually the Euro-USD signal has been ranging inside the safe zone, and as we can see, the pair has started already the bearish reversal. The pair actually was respecting that resistance trend line that I have drawn here last week, or last Saturday I mean, and as we can see, the market has actually fallen under the pressure from that resistance trend line. Indicates that the Euro-USD is going to start the fall right away. However, it's now a question if we can actually start entering this trade or not. Let me tell you, if you have already opened this signal or have already opened the trade, you can keep it running. But for those who are wishing to enter this trade again, let me tell you something. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see right here, my friends, that we are having actually a good entry. The market actually has shown a rejection right here at the same level of the resistance at 1.12879. And we can see here two candles indicates for a first reversal, and another red and blue candle indicates also the second reversal, which means we already have resistance number 1 and resistance number 2. Therefore, and of course, by the way, by seeing this candle right here, this price action usually indicates the continuation in the momentum, which means the Euro-USD is going to start the fall right away. I don't think that the Euro-USD is going to make any bullish reversal. I mean, a bullish pullback, but it seems to me that the pair is going to continue the fall right away. So if you wish to open the trade, you can open it right now once you are seeing this video as soon as possible. It's hard to predict any pullbacks right now to happen because I think the pair is going to start the fall right now. And if you have already opened the trade, please keep it running. Most likely the Euro-USD is going to be bearish, and I think the most likely the pair is going to continue the fall till at least the support at 1.11895. However, as I said before, the market is going to be running in low volatility, so we can expect from the market to actually reverse exactly at that support without reaching our take profit level. Our take profit level is at 1.11440, but being so much realistic about it, I don't think this is going to happen this week. I have a feeling that this is not going to happen this week. So therefore, I just need here to adjust the take profit level and take it as 1.11800. Which means we can expect to make approximately 78 pips profit from this signal. So please adjust the new signal, my friends, and hopefully the Euro-USD is going to be very profitable for everyone. Let's now take a look at the Pound USD. Pound USD actually, my friends, has already reached the take profit level exactly right here at, let me just tell you, at almost 1.31716, and it has reversed already from the take profit level and went all the way to the original entry of the sell that I have sent last week. Now, most likely, I think this signal is now disqualified and we can no longer short the Pound USD from my point of view. Most likely, this pair is going to be bullish for the next days. And if we check the daily chart, we can notice right here that the market actually has reached a very strong key support level right on 1.31650. This is right here, my friends, a support number 1. And right here, the market has actually shown a very strong rejection from the breakout of that level, which means it's a very strong one. And by seeing this strong bullish engulfing candle right here, we can confirm that the pair most likely is going to continue the rise. So the question now is where exactly we can start buying this pair. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly right here we're having a support trend line just like that exactly. We can see that this pair has been respecting that level for quite a long time. Even when we had right here the fake bearish breakout from that level, the market actually showed us the strength of that level of a support and went right above that level again of a support. So this attempt right here is telling us that this level is strong. So therefore, I really doubt that the pound USD is gonna continue the fall from this point. I'm thinking that we have to start buying this pair. Now the question is where exactly. So let me tell you that right now we need to find the strongest support and resistance levels. And by seeing this level right here, this level was actually a strong support level, and it was also a support right here. However, we already have right here a support number 1, which means we have to wait for this candle to fall for another I think 18 or 19 pips before we can start buying it, and therefore we can start buying it at the support number 2. And for the take profit level, most likely is going to be right here, the peak of the resistance at 1.33640. Again, I don't really think that the pair is going to continue the fall at the moment because we have reached the oversold zone. So therefore, we can expect to start buying this pair, and the resistance right here exactly at 1.33423 is going to be our target, and we can expect to make approximately 104 pips profit from this signal. Now, let me just tell you something. Well, we are also having right here this channel like that. Let me just clone it as well. Oh, sorry, not like that. It's actually my mistake. It's exactly like this. So if I clone it right here, we can see the channel is being created. Therefore, I believe the pair is going to continue the rise at least. Let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. It's going to continue the rise at least to hit the resistance right here. Exactly right here. I'm just trying to be accurate as much as possible. Okay, good. This is the resistance level right here, my friends, which is going to be our target. As I said before, most likely this is how the pair is going to continue the move this week, by actually making the bullish reversal and reaching that level of a resistance. And afterwards, we don't know what will gonna happen, if the pair is gonna be able to actually break out from that level of a resistance trend line or not. That's gonna be our target anyway, and we will close the trade in a profit, hopefully, if this signal goes in the way I have predicted. Therefore, let me just write for you the signal. There it goes, my friends, the signal. As you can see, the target is going to be approximately 70 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone will be ranging for about 41 pips. As long as we are inside this zone right here, we can expect from this candle to make a maximum reversal till the lowest level of the support at 1.31999. That's gonna be the last level where we can expect from the market to reach to before starting the bullish reversal. So there goes your signal for the pound USD. Hopefully it's gonna profitable, and hopefully it's gonna be a good signal, and hopefully it's gonna be very profitable for everyone. AUD USD. The AUD USD signal has just started the bearish reversal. As you can see, it has been triggered from the sell entry and went in 16 pips of loss. But as we can see right here, the market is respecting that resistance trend line that I have drawn here last week, and we can see the matchup. You can check, my friends. I have drawn this resistance trend line last week, and the market right now is respecting this level to the fullest. So the reversal was actually very accurate and very precise. Therefore, I think the AUD USD is going to continue the bearish reversal right away. So, of course, if you have opened the signal, you can keep it running. If you didn't open it, you can open it right now. The signal for the AUD USD remains the same. Let's now check the USD CAD. USD CAD, my friends, hasn't been triggered yet, But however, I believe by today it's going to be triggered. Also, nothing changed for the USD CAD. Still the same signal is valid. Let me just make sure again, and let's draw right here the support trend line, and let's just clone it right here. And definitely yes, the signal still valid, my friends. If we now move to the 1 hour time frame, we can see right here the support trend line, and most likely the support trend line is gonna be respected again. I don't see any changes gonna happen right here for the USD CAD signal. Everything seems normal, and I think nothing can be added to the signal. So far, everything is going well, especially seeing this red candle right here. It's a very small bearish candle. It's not a full bar. It's not a big candle. Most likely, we're going to be witnessing right here a pin bar gonna occur today or tomorrow. And therefore, yes, nothing changed for the USD CAD. The signal remains the same. Let's now move to the USD JPY, which has finally went very accurate with me and finally has reached the take profit level, or almost. Yeah, I think it has almost reached the take profit level and reversed just 3 pips far away from the take profit level. But however, it was a good signal finally, and we can see that the pair has reversed exactly from the entry at 113.557 and went in approximately 66 pips of profits. So let's see what we can do together for the remaining days of this week with the USD JPY. Let me first of all delete the old signal. And let's continue now analyzing this chart. Now, as you can see right here, my friends, the movement right here is a very strong for the bullish. And if we draw here a resistance level, we can notice right here, my friend. What second? What happened? Okay. Oh, okay. We can notice right here that the pair actually is respecting that level of the resistance right here. So assuming that the pair is gonna make the bullish breakout right now from that level is actually possible. And let me explain to you the reason why is it possible. If we draw right here a resistance trend line from this lower high to this lower high as well, from this lower low, sorry, we can notice right here that the market has actually been respecting that level as a new support trend line. This was a resistance trend line, and the market has made the bullish breakout from that level. So therefore, we can see that the market is respecting this level right now as a support trend line. So therefore, we can expect from the market to continue the rise right away. I think it's difficult to find a good entry for the buy for the pound USD, sorry, for the USD JPY. All I can tell you is we can start buy the pair right away. And we just need to confirm that on horizontal level, this was also a strong support level as well. So we can see right here, yes, indeed, we can see that the market has made here the bullish reversal. So it was actually a strong support, and even right here we can see that it was a very strong resistance level. We already have right here, my friends, a first attempt of the support. So this is actually a support number 1. Now we can start actually buying this pair right away, because this is the new level of a support trend line, and this was a resistance trend line. I really doubt that the USD JPY is going to be able to reach this level again to create support number 2. Therefore, we have to rely right now on the trend lines. So let me just do something right here by actually, let me just remove this one. Okay. We need to draw right now the support trend lines, and based on that, we can decide our entry. So what I did right now is drawing this support trend line, and right now I'm just going to clone it like that. Exactly like that. Just being precise with the maximum. And perfect, yes. Let me just be more accurate. I'm trying to be accurate, my friends. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and I just want to be very accurate to make sure I'm giving you the best entry. Alrighty, just like that. I think perfect. I think this is a perfect match. Yes, it's matching with all details, except for this one, of course. But however, it's matching along all, and this one, of course. But it's matching with all the tails and wicks. So, most likely right now, we can expect from the pair to continue the fall, to make another pullback till it reaches that level of a support trend line right here, my friends, and also to create support number 2. Yes, now there is a possibility I see for the candle to continue the fall to create support number 2, and from that point we can start buying this pair again. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame, and we can see clearly. Actually, I don't like it so much on the 4-hour time frame. In the 1-hour time frame it looked way much better. Let me just make sure it's the best entry, guys. I know this has been taking some time, but I'm just trying to be accurate as much as possible. What I'm trying to do here is making sure that my support trend line matching the resistance happened right here, and also we need to make sense with this resistance trend line right here. After the bullish breakout, we need to find a good entry that match up with the support trend line and also the resistance trend line. So all the leads telling me that most likely the pair is going to continue the fall, the rise exactly from this point, exactly right here. I think this is actually a better entry, and we can actually adjust this support trend line. Hold on, please. Hold on 1 second, please. All right, now it's more accurate. Now it makes a lot more sense to me. On the 1-hour time frame, we're having right here the nearest support trend line for our entry, which was actually a support number 1 right here, and we can see that the market most likely is going to reverse exactly at the crossing sign right here, where all of the trend lines have met, and therefore I believe this is going to be a good entry for the USD/JPY. This has been taking a way long time. Let me just write for you the signals. So here goes your signal, my friends, for the USD/JPY. As we can see, this is the level where we can start again buying this pair, which is actually right now, and the take profit level will be at the peak of the nearest resistance to the entry. Meanwhile, the safe zone should be ranging till the edge of that support level right here, which means our safe zone will be ranging for about 48 pips, and the take profit level is going to be 92 pips. There goes your signal for the USD/JPY. Hopefully it goes very well, and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. Let's now check the USD/CHF. USD/CHF signal has also been triggered, and everything is going to remain the same. As you can see, the pair has made here the bullish breakout from that resistance level at 0.92204, and right now we can expect from the pair to fall down for another 10 pips before it's going to continue the bullish reversal. So USD/CHF signal also remains the same without any changes. I don't think we need to edit anything in it. If you want to enter this signal, you can enter it right away. And for the gold signal has actually been triggered, as we can see right here, my friends, at the opening of the market on Monday. And as you can see so far, it's running in 135 pips of profit, which is really fantastic. But however, let's see what we can expect next with the gold. Let's move to the daily candle. So by seeing the daily candle, this price action must likely usually indicates for the bearish reversal. So I think the pair is gonna continue the fall till it reaches the take profit level at 177,180. Let me tell you something. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are having right here. Let me just make another entry, which is right here exactly at 1,798.38. We can actually start, or we can short again the gold. This is the original entry. Let me make a new one. Say sell again at 1,798.38. Allow me please to explain to you the reason why we can start shorting the gold again from that level. Right now we are having here the resistance trend line drawn on the daily chart, but let me just get rid of this one and let's move back to the 4-hour time frame. So if I draw right here, my friends, as a resistance trend line from this level right here, we can see clearly exactly like that. We can see clearly that the market is actually respecting that level of a resistance trend line, and it has reversed exactly at it. So we already have right here a resistance number 1, resistance trend line number 1, and right here resistance trend line number 2, which means most likely upon the pressure from the previous resistance right here, the gold is actually gonna make another bullish pullback, and most likely is gonna continue to rise again, where we can start shorting this pair again exactly from the peak of the resistance at 1,798.38. First of all, it's already here a resistance number 1. Second of all, it's already a resistance trend line number one. So all of them together in one reversal. That's why I believe most likely the gold is going to be perfectly good to be shorted exactly from that level, and of course we will maintain to keep the same take profit level as before. And regarding the safe zone, we have to stick also to the previous safe zone without any changes. It's gonna actually be big, of course. It's about 191 pips, but this is actually for those who are willing to enter this signal again. If you have already opened this signal, please keep it running. I believe most likely it's gonna be a good signal. And I believe this should be everything for this week, for the midweek analysis video. So far, everything is going very well. And again, I'm telling you, please be careful. The market most likely is going to be running in very high volatility, especially on Friday. It's going to start on Friday. I believe the United States banks are going to be on holiday. Therefore, I believe the market will be very slow that day. So I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.